Hey guys, this is a Samsung Gear Fit2 and this had a charging problem and I started to investigate what's wrong with it. As you can see, here are the charging points which is connected to the charging docking station. Something like this. Now it's working because I was repairing that, and what needed to put some little piece of metal here and with a solder iron carefully, really carefully, not to melt down the wall connector and the plastic housing. And actually what I realized that there is a construction problem what Samsung made on this, because it's so the magnets inside the docking station and the watch is so extremely strong that it's making an impact and just putting it to the charging pod. So basically what I have seen under the microscope, that there was a huge hole in the middle of this electrode and this other electrode, and this charging pin was basically contacting with the plastic housing. So actually the metal was missing like you knocking a piece of metal with a knife or something, and it's just you just puncturing it. So the solution was to have a solder iron and to mix a little bit of a metal piece here very carefully, and the possible lowest temperature like 320 Celsius degree or something like that, so taking care not to melt the plastic housing. And as you can see, it's now charging immediately. So it was a successful repair. Hope it helps for your repair, and have a nice day. And yeah, also I'm hoping Samsung will hear this they will take care of using two strong magnets. Actually what I have a Xiaomi smart band, or a smart, what is called, smart activity meter, the MS Fit Bip, and that's a little bit better solution because it's not held on by magnets, but you have to push it into the docking station manually, and probably that's, yeah, it's more comfortable using the magnets, but the Xiaomi solution is a little bit more safe in regard to the electrodes. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.